In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add spinning top white quick and easy guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and add the spinning top white indicator on your Tradingview chart and how to get the most out of it, even if you're brand new to the platform. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other asset you like. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar, above the price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the full Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search through all the built-in tools that Tradingview offers. When the Indicators panel appears, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and simply type the word white. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the list of indicators based on what you've entered. You don't need to type anything else. Just the word white is enough to bring up the specific tool we're looking for. In the search results, look for the indicator called spinning top white. Once you see it listed, move your mouse over it and click on it once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added directly to your active chart. You should now see it applied visually, often highlighting or marking candle patterns that match the spinning top white criteria. If you want to adjust how it looks or fine-tune the settings, you can usually do that by hovering over the indicator name on your chart and opening its settings. There, you can change colors, visibility, and other display options so it fits your style. Take a moment to zoom in and out of your chart to see where the spinning top white pattern appears. This will help you get familiar with how often it shows up and in what kind of price action it tends to appear. Remember, indicators are tools to support your analysis, not guarantees. So always combine them with your overall trading plan. Finally, if you're finding Tradingview useful and you're ready to unlock more advanced features like additional indicators per chart, more alerts, and extra customization, check out the affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description of this video. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you access to a more powerful charting experience while you work with tools like the spinning top white indicator.